Hey, how y'all today? Today we're going to be trellising our cucumber plants. And I would like to buy some candle panels, but right now that's just not in our budget. So I'm using some baling twine and just weaving it together over an old frame for a greenhouse. And we've got the cucumbers on both sides. They're going to grow over. So I'm hoping that's going to work out. So here we go. And yes, I'm being a little frugal, but when you're homesteading, you've got other bills. You've got to make everything count. If you can use it twice, 3 times, use it 3 times. Repurpose. All right, what we're going to do is take this old baling twine and loop it around this bottom one that we run across here, just a regular overhand knot. I'm leaving a little bit of string hanging down, so if there's any more runners, they can get a hold of that. And all I'm doing is just looping it around each one of these. Kind of trying to keep a little tension on. All right, we're just going to loop it. We're going to try to keep them fairly level. It doesn't have to be perfect. Putting them about 8 inches apart, and we may come back through there and tighten this group up. Run another one up here, but this, you could tie knots in this, but I don't see this necessary. Now we're at the top. We're going to utilize that next strut right up here and put it over that. All right. Okay, that's our trellis. Not perfect by any means, but I'll leave perfect up to God. I've got it where the cucumbers will climb up it. They can go over the arch. Now, if you don't have a frame like this, fine. Use a couple of T-posts. You can do the same thing with some string, some nylon twine, baling string like I've got here. You can come up with something. Be inventive. It'll work. Old lattice, old chain link fence, old American wire fence will work. So that, just use whatever you've got and save yourself money, and cucumbers will not give a flip. So remember, count your blessings every day, and I believe you will find God has blessed you well beyond measure. I know He has me. Y'all have a good day.